Hey yo, what's up guys? It is me Zane, back here with another video. Today I got something really special for you guys. We got a really special package here today from Goons Apparel. I want to start off this video by thanking Goons Apparel. Goons Apparel is a clothing brand based out of Colorado with a variety of different pieces of clothing. From shirts, to beanies, to crop tops, they've got you covered. They're the hottest, most upcoming brand right now. I mean really, who wouldn't want a piece of clothing that says Goons on it? It's sick! To get started on your first order, use code ZANEB to get 20% off today. Yes, I have a discount code and it's so cool. So use code ZANEB to get 20% off today. So I've been waiting for this for like a really long time and I'm so glad that it's finally here. Yeah, so Goons Apparel, sick brand. Okay, let's get on to the unboxing. I'm already really excited. So we straight out of the bat open up the box and wow, won't you look at this. Oh my god. This is so cool. So right off the bat we got 3 Goons stickers, just how I like them with my free stickers. We got 3 really cool 3 Goons stickers. These are really sick. Woo! These are sexy. We got 2 beanies. This is honestly so cool. So we got 2 beanies, one black with white text and one red with black text, and they're all wrapped and everything. How does this all fit in here? That's my biggest question. Then we got another shirt which is white text and then like a darkish green shirt, and the exact opposite of that. Oh, ooh, these just keep on getting nicer and nicer. I think this is a crew neck. This is so cool. It's a green Goons text. It's a green Goons logo with a white hoodie, and this looks really cool. So this is the Goons windbreaker and I'm really excited to see this. It's in a size medium because I didn't have any small, but this is so cool. And then we just have wrapping paper. So wow, this is incredible. This is looking nice. This is looking fine. I literally cannot wait to open this. Let's get right into the unboxing. I'm probably just gonna do it in order. Okay, so I believe this is the first one I pulled out. Oh, no need for a knife. Won't you look at that? Wow. Okay, so straight off the bat, I like this. So we're first starting off with the black on red beanie. Straight off the bat, I really love how you can open this up really easily. There's no sewing mistakes. There's no like loose threads or anything, which is a good sign. You know, look, screw Chancellor wrapper. I like the size of it. It's tight, which is good for winter. No, I really like it. It's nice and soft, which is a very good thing. Actually, the perfect size. It's not too big and it's not too small. And for the next beanie, it's a white on black. Personally, I like this one much better. Well, that's just right now because I'm wearing a yellow shirt. I also have a dark green jacket, which really wouldn't go well with a red beanie. But let's say I was wearing maybe a black jacket, it would for sure look nice with it. But this would probably look nicer with my green jacket. So of course, it's probably the same, just a different color. I like this one better. Yeah, and it's same everything. Really nice, really nice. For sure recommend you get these because it's cold out here in Canada. Ooh, I'm really excited for this one. Of course, same packaging. Yeah, this is a sweatshirt or a crew neck. Yeah, it's a crew neck. Whoa. I think they sent me the wrong size. I know it says small, but this is really big. Or it's just heavy. Let me go try it on. I'm a little bit skeptical. This looks really big. I'm gonna change shirts to like a white shirt because this yellow, yeah, nah. So as I said at the beginning, when I put this on, I was a little bit skeptical because it looks big. The elastics on this sweatshirt are very tight, which is good because I'm a small, but it looks big, but it feels like a small. When you look at it from a distance, this looks honestly so sick and really cool. I love it. This is probably my new favorite sweatshirt. I'm not even kidding. It's soft. It's like really soft. I only own one crew neck. This is my second crew neck, and I'm gonna wear this somewhere. It's so soft. I love the colors too. It's just, it's a nice fit. It's a really nice fit, and it's soft and cozy and comfy, and this might just be my next sweatshirt that I'm gonna be wearing every Saturday. On to the next, we got this dark green shirt with a white Goons logo, basically the inverse of this. Okay, let's open this. Oh, whoopsies. Okay, wait, what? Oh, what? Oh, I got changed. Okay. So this one is really, really good. I like it a lot. Love the colors as well. It honestly feels good. Like I feel good when I'm in it. I don't feel like it's just another t-shirt. This one feels like actually good. Like it's good around the sleeves area. It's like a perfect fit. And it reminds me of sort of a babe shirt because I own a babe shirt. It reminds me of that one because the sleeves, there's something on the sleeves that just makes it feel comfortable. At the bottom, it's a bit long. Like I'll show you. At the bottom, it's a bit long, but I still like it. And it doesn't look like too dragged out or whatever, but I still love it. Another amazing shirt by Goons Apparel. I'm gonna be rocking this one a lot. Sadly, we're on to our last and final item from Goons Apparel, and this is the windbreaker. I've never owned a windbreaker. I don't know if it's, oh yeah. So this one actually fit me, it's a medium, but I'm still gonna try it on. So far, ooh, this is sick. Oh my god. If I was a medium, I'd totally rock this. This is the coolest thing I've seen so far. So it's basically a rain jacket, but on the back it has like the Illuminati logo with an eye and it says, "Don't trust the government." This is cool. And in the front, on the front it has Goons Apparel going in a vertical line. And I like how the resolution's different. And on the back of the hood, it says Goons. I'm gonna probably give this to my dad because he is a size medium. I hope he uses this well, because this is a sick windbreaker. And it's buttons. And inside we got a little Goons Apparel tag. So once again, thank you so much to Goons Apparel. Everyone go check them out. Use the code ZaneB to get 20% off your order. I highly recommend you go check out this brand. It's probably my new favorite brand, I'm not even joking. They have so much stuff and it's just so cool. Highly recommend. You're gonna get good quality and good products. This is no like ordinary Gildan shirt, I'm telling you. And I'm not even lying. My shirts are worse quality than this, and I'll admit it, okay? This is amazing quality, okay? Everyone go invest in this. Use code ZaneB to get 20% off your order. That is ZANEB for 20% off your order for a limited time only. I want to give a huge thank you again to Goons Apparel for these amazing clothes. Everyone go check them out. Like I demand you, please go check them out. These are incredible, okay? It's fully worth it. So everyone go check them out. It's the fall and spring season for 2019. Please, everyone, go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and a big shout out to Goons Apparel for giving me all this stuff, for sending me all this stuff. Love you guys so much. Go show some love to Goons Apparel. Bye!